If your iPhone and iPad are showing different photos, messages, notes, contacts, or other data, then the problem is usually related to your Apple account or iCloud sync settings. So let's go through a few settings you can check to get your device syncing again. First, open Settings app on your iPhone and iPad device. Now click on your name at the top, and here make sure you are logged in with the same iCloud account or Apple account within the both devices. After this, just click on iCloud option within this section. Now on your iPhone and iPad, first make sure you have enough iCloud storage to back up your photos, notes, messages, and sync with both devices. So the process to sync all the files data within all the devices logged in with same Apple account, you have enough storage, and then you have to turn on iCloud backup. After this, within the saved to iCloud, you need to make sure all the options are enabled. So once you check you have enough storage, just click on iCloud backup option on both devices and turn on the toggle right to backup this device. Once you enable this, just click on backup now option. Now click on see all option right to saved to iCloud, and here you will see the apps and feature that you can sync through iCloud. So make sure the options are enabled for the data you want to appear on both devices. For example, if your photos aren't syncing, then make sure photos is turned on. So once you check this saved to iCloud, enough storage on your device and iCloud backup, just allow your device to backup all the data and sync to both devices. Now if you are mainly having problem with messages, then there are another way to check this. So on your iPhone, open Settings app. Now scroll down to bottom and click on Apps. Within this section, find Messages and click on it. Now you have already checked Messages in iCloud section is enabled, and here just scroll down and click on Send and Receive option. Now make sure you are using same email ID and phone number that you are using on your iPad. Similarly, if the contacts are not showing on your iPad, then wherever your contacts are saved like your Gmail account or any other source is logged in on your iPad. Once you check this, all the calls from your iPhone will appear with the contact name on your iPad. So that's all for this video. If you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.